Hello and welcome back to Carpet Doctor. Roy here. Can you see me? Here I am, this very retro 70s lounge. Got a beautiful Axminster carpet to fit today, and it's the installation of the day at carpetdoctor.co.uk. Used especially on Axminsters to seal the edge, stop it from fraying, all in the doorways, all in the areas that need it, because Axminsters are prone to shrinkage. So by applying just a little bit of latex adhesive on the gripper there, you can ensure a good installation. Beautiful. Hello Carpet Doctor, that's the wrong one. Hello Carpet Doctor, I'm on my way. Thank you.